Hello, Morgan Studios. This is part 3, Freestyle Ukulele Scales. Now we're going to use the Pentatonic scale to branch off into the Diatonic. So I'm assuming you kind of know those pentatonic shapes backwards and forwards, or you just know one. You just need to know that minor shape, minor pentatonic 1, and then, well, just maybe just the minor pentatonic 1 if you know how to start and stop on the 6th and the 1. That's a good place to start. Anyway, Diatonic is your 7-note scale, the major scale. It's all the white keys on the piano. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Major scale, okay? But how we get there on guitar, if you can remember, okay, we're gonna talk about these in a minute, but let's focus on the fragments, right? Fragment 3 is the easiest one to see, okay? 2 flat third intervals kind of next to each other, okay? And what you do, if you realize that's degree 3 on the scale and you know your intervals, all you have to do is plug in the 4, 3, 4, 5, and then, wait a minute, you plug in the 4. That's my bad. You plug in the 4, and then you plug in the 5. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. You plug in the 4 and the 7. You just plug in the notes that you don't have anymore, or you don't have in the pentatonic. So that just means here and here for the pattern people that just recognize the patterns. All right, so there you go. Just know, plug in the 4 and the 7, or just count. If you know the intervals are going to help you if you know your intervals, right? Half step, 3 to 4 is a half step. And then these are whole steps, and then it's a half step to the 1 again. And then that's whole step. And then a whole step, that's on the fretboard. Whole step is like that. Half step is like that. So anyway, bottom line, know your intervals. So fragment 2, you just think 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Okay. So all we do is you add these 2 notes right here to that fragment 2. Easy way to remember it is like your intervals, right? You have to just know your intervals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just like I did up there before, okay? And then your fragment 5, which is really, it's inside of your, it's kind of inside the fragment 2. Okay, but you need a fragment 5, just how the patterns, how they go, like over here. So so fragment 5, you just count 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, like that. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, and that's your fragment 5. Okay, all you're doing is you're adding this note here. Oh, wait, I didn't mean to do that. You're adding this note here. There we go. So you see, if you just know your pentatonic pattern, you can use that to springboard, okay? If you don't remember anything, just kind of remember your intervals and remember that pattern 3 up here, okay? You'll always be able to find this one in the shapes. Well, I guess 90% of the time you'll be able to kind of see that one. Those 2 flat third intervals. That's a flat third. From there to there, it's flat third interval. Okay, So here we go. Let's start with pattern 1, and then you add in your notes right here, right, for the 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay. Here it's kind of weird, so it's just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Wait. 6. Well, I'm messing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, and then 2. 3, 4. Okay. I was messing myself up. Okay, here we go. Cause see, I'm thinking about guitar. Guitar, your first and last string are the same, but on a ukulele, it's not the same. This is freestyle ukulele. All right, so there you go. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. All right. So you're just adding in these 2 notes. And then you have like a little fragment of this, a fragment of of the 2. Like that. Okay. Let's keep going. And then pattern 2. Right off, you see the 2, right? The 2 fragment. So it's like boom. And here. And then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Okay. There goes the 2 fragment. And then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 3 and okay. There you go. Pattern 3. Same thing. Right off the bat, you know that one, right? So it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. And then there goes your 2 pattern. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So it's here and here. Here and then there. To go to the major scale, the diatonic scale. And by the way, each of these patterns, you can go get into like the modes, right? This is getting long. I'm gonna try to hurry up. So pattern 4, okay, this is the 5, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, and then, you know, the 3, that 3 fragment standing out there, just add those 2 in, okay? And then pattern 5, which starts on 6. Okay, you see the 2, right? There goes the 2 fragment. So you go here, here, right? And then, you know, it starts on 6, so 6, 7, 1. Okay? So there you go. Like that. Okay? So backing up, this would be your Aeolian mode or your minor scale. Minor, Aeolian mode, minor scale. Okay? And then it's backing it up. This one, you know, it starts on the 5th degree, so this is the Mixolydian. Okay, Mixolydian mode. Okay, that would be your, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. But you renumber. Okay, here's that whole renumbering thing again. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to renumber it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, like that. right? Mixolydian has a flat 7. Anyway, that's that one. You go up. Modes, you're just starting and stopping at a different spot. And you have to renumber eventually. But just get the pattern, right? Just get the pattern. This 3, right? That's a pattern 3, pattern 2. That's Phrygian. Phrygian mode. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 dot. And you renumber it because you're acting like the 3 is the root. Phrygian mode. Okay. We'll get into more of modes later. But just Aeolian is a minor mode. Major is a major mode. We're keeping going. Okay, 2. This is Dorian. Okay, so you got the 2. It does that. And then you have it like that. And this is the Dorian, which is the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Renumber it later on, right? If you renumber this, you'll have a flat 3. 1, 2, flat 3, yada, yada, yada. That makes it a minor mode. Minor modes have a flat 3. Okay? You go up. Uh-oh. I did something. Last one. You made it to the end. And then you go here. Remember? And then have that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And this is the Ionian or the major scale. Ionian mode, major scale. That's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's you know that one. Okay, so there you go. There goes the modes. A simple way, I think, the simplest way to get it. I know it was a lot, but just go back and think about just 2 fragments. If you know the numbers, just 2 fragments, right? And you're stacking those fragments 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3 to get your pentatonic scales. And then know your intervals, or just know how your patterns change between your pentatonic and diatonic, right? Okay, this is the easiest way to think of it, I think. If you just know your pattern, your pentatonic pattern, get the diatonic pattern. Okay, hope you learned something. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. We'll do some more stuff. We'll get the music going, but just get these patterns first, okay? All right, you can skip actually to the chord scale stuff because I'm going to keep going part 4, 5, 6 and do the whole tone, harmonic minor, all that good stuff. But if it's too much, just skip over to the chord scale stuff in the part, I don't know, it's part 7, 8, I don't know, it's after I finish all these other ones. Okay, I'll see you later, and like and subscribe.